Welcome to my review channel, Softspot Reviews. Today we are talking about the Pro T-Shirt Design Master Bundle. Looking for a way to get fresh t-shirt designs without spending too much? Pro T-Shirt Design Master Bundle is your answer. You can now cut costs without losing quality. Our bundle offers a wide range of professional designs at a lower price. Elevate your print-on-demand business with the Pro T-Shirt Design Master Bundle. This exclusive bundle gives you access to high-quality, ready-to-use designs. These designs will captivate your customers and boost your sales. Forget about the hassle of creating or commissioning new designs. Focus on running your business instead. Pro T-Shirt Design Master Bundle includes files in AI, PSD, EPS, PNG, and JPG formats. This variety ensures you can use the designs on any platform. Don't miss out on transforming your print-on-demand business today. Our Pro T-Shirt Design Master Bundle offers several key benefits. First, you save time and money. No more expensive designer fees or hours spent creating new designs. You get immediate access to a wide variety of professional t-shirt designs. Second, you stand out from the competition. With unique and eye-catching designs, you can attract more customers. The fresh and trendy designs resonate with your audience, driving higher engagement and sales. Third, our Pro T-Shirt Design Master Bundle is versatile and diverse. The collection caters to various niches and styles. This ensures you have something for everyone. What do you get with the Pro T-Shirt Design Master Bundle? You get 500+ trending designs. These are high-quality, meticulously crafted t-shirt designs. The designs come in multiple formats, making them easy to use with any print-on-demand platform. Enjoy unlimited use with no additional licensing fees. Get ahead of the competition with the Pro T-Shirt Design Master Bundle. This bundle is tailored specifically for print-on-demand businesses. Our collection of professional designs ensures you always have the freshest graphics for your store. Providing consistent, top-notch quality, our bundle helps enhance your brand's reputation. Customer satisfaction is guaranteed. Save on design costs with the Pro T-Shirt Design Master Bundle. Focus on growing your business and delighting your customers. Don't miss out on transforming your print-on-demand business today. Sales page disclaimer. Warrior Plus is used to help manage the sale of products on this site. While Warrior Plus facilitates the sale, all payments go directly to the product vendor. All product questions, support inquiries, and refund requests must be sent to the vendor. Warrior Plus's role is not an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any marketing claims. Unlock the potential of your business with high-quality, ready-to-use t-shirt designs. Pro T-Shirt Design Master Bundle is the smart choice for your print-on-demand needs. Enhance your store, attract more customers, and boost your sales. Order the Pro T-Shirt Design Master Bundle today and see the difference it makes. This bundle is your key to a successful print-on-demand business. With Pro T-Shirt Design Master Bundle, you get top-quality designs at an unbeatable price. Get started today and watch your business grow. Pro T-Shirt Design Master Bundle is here to help you succeed. Don't wait any longer. Transform your print-on-demand business with Pro T-Shirt Design Master Bundle. Order now and experience the benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching the Softspot Reviews channel.